So in the last part of today's event, I am pleased to introduce a new feature for OpenEMM. You will know that OpenEMM is an excellent software with a wide range of features and that we are constantly providing new versions of the software like seen. At the same time, we know from our day-to-day work that there are additional requirements for software, in particular for more automation, more efficiency, and more flexibility. We have taken these requirements as an opportunity to offer several extensions for OpenEMM, which continue to support the familiar functionality of OpenEMM and provide you with new and very useful features. The product also gets a new name, and we call it OpenEMM Plus. You can also see a plus in the blue on the right side. The plus sign identifies the software for the additional functionalities. I would like to briefly present the concept to you here. The new functions relate to three areas. Firstly, we offer a new solution for mail creation, which consists of three individual features and provides you more efficiency and flexibility when designing your mail links. Secondly, we are expanding the existing data interfaces with additional options so that you can connect OpenEMM even more easily to the imported software and transfer data automatically between the applications. I will show you what it says in a moment. You also have the option of using an additional configuration function that allows you to customize the security settings even further. And let's take a look at the features in detail. If you already work with OpenEMM, you will certainly be familiar with the convenient way of creating a mailing based on templates. The current templates have a fixed structure with text modules that can be filled in one after the other. The only disadvantage is that the layout has a fixed structure, and it doesn't allow any creative options when changing the layout. What we now offer with Email Creator, that's the name of the product. Email Creator goes even further in terms of flexibility with the help of layout templates and individual text and image modules. You can design mailings in no time using the drag and drop. Drag and drop in this case means that you can insert any number of lines into the layout using the plus symbol on the right in green bar and insert predefined layout modules to the edit line. This means you could also insert an article, for example, at the top after the mailing order has been created, or you can decide to place images instead of one in a line without having to rebuild the HTML structure. It's a big advantage, and at the end, this creates significantly more efficiency and dynamic when creating the layout and saves a lot of time. A personalization of the mailings and the individualization of the content modules according to the target groups is responsible with those types of templates, the fixed structure, but also with Email Creator. So here, the next slide, the Email Creator template system also provides you with a tool for creating these flexible templates. In the future, you will find a new button for the Layout Builder on the left, in the menu, part of OpenEMM, and this allows you to create model layouts in the corporate design of your brand and the colors of your company. Of course, also optimized for mobile devices. You can create images, text as content modules, and you can also store separate templates for different events, for example. And we also provide you with initial templates in the software for the start. If you would like us to implement the templates for you, we will be happy to take over the work for you as a service. Media Pool. When you order this package, you will also receive an application called Media Pool. Here, you store content for newsletters, such as images, PDF documents, audio, and video files. To work efficiently, you can access the Media Pool directly from the Email Creator template and use the content directly there. This is also an option to categorize and check the content with keywords, for example. Images can also be edited in the Media Pool, each by cropping, rotating, or resizing the content. Another major chapter in the iterations of the interfaces. Successful email marketing, you know it, is based on updated data. We now offer new interfaces to transfer data automatically between OpenEMM and your systems. For example, your online shop or CRM. If you're already using OpenEMM, you will be familiar with the option to import address data via the user interface. This process can be optionally extended so that you can upload the data via an automated interface. This allows you to exchange import file via a web browser at any time, and at the end to keep your data up to date and always up to date. The data transfer works on both sides, so that you can also export data from OpenEMM to other software applications. You could also create success logs, for example, for reports, so that you can keep an eye on the processes. Web service is an additional interface. OpenEMM already supports web services as SOAP or RESTful interfaces. As an innovation, you can use additional methods with OpenEMM Plus to process bulk data. Bulk data, or bulk methods, for example, allows a higher number of data to be sent via web service or via web service call and reduces the server load at the end. Webhooks, another interface, is a completely new interface for OpenEMM Plus. You can use it to return action data of a mailing recipient to a 0M, such as an email opening, an email delivery, a link, click, an unsubscribe, or a bounce information. A typical use case here is if an email address is no longer valid. For example, we return the data every time via webhooks to your CRM. And a print campaign is sent directly to the recipient's post, network, for example. The process is quite easy to implement, and it is a direct communication from OpenEMM Plus. It's one-way communication to external assistants. Mail relay, the last point. Another new feature is an SMTP interface, which is used when mailings or individual text blocks are generated in external customer systems, such as an ERP or an online shop. And OpenEMM Plus is to be used as a reliable email delivery system. The big advantage here is you don't have to worry about your own mail server and your own systems are relieved. Another advantage, OpenEMM Plus also provides you with statistics of key performance indicators, such as email openings and clicks, and with the SMTP interface and the mail relay, a large number of systems can be connected, and you will use the proven technology of OpenEMM Plus for sending emails. The last feature for today I would like to recommend is the extended client configuration, which contains another, let's say, 30 customized configurations for data protection, for data security, and other default settings. And to give an example, here you could define how long the password must be, how long the password is valid, and then much more. A common question at this point is, what are the costs for the individual products? And the important thing is that the products can be bought individually. It means you can choose the right solution to suit your needs. And we have one-time cost for licensing the software, an optional monthly fee for a few further software updates. And the costs are as follows for Email Creator, the Layout Builder, and Media Pool. We have a one-time fee of 2,500 euros. And each interface starts at 2,000 and goes up to 2,500 euros. The client configuration would be a one-time fee of 500 euros. And for the launch of the products, we have a special offer specific discount for you. You will receive a third product free of charge when you purchase 2 products in total. And we recommend taking advantage of this opportunity within the next few weeks, let's say until mid of June. And if you have any questions about the services and prices, please reach out to us, give us a call, or send us an email to consulting@agnitas.de. Or visit our website and use the contact form. And the final statement from me, I think we have with OpenEMM Plus very cool features and new solutions, which will provide valuable benefits. And at the end, we would like to create more automation and efficiency for your day-to-day work.